tablespoons worth. I'm just going to fry some shallots lightly in some lard before we add the liver to the frying pan. Shallots finely. I'm using some lard, but you can use olive oil as well. It really doesn't matter. Just a knob of lard. Turn on your frying pan. Now we cook the liver before any of the other vegetables and rice, and then we'll put the liver to one side, and then we'll get cracking with the risotto. I'm going to add the shallot here. Now I'm going to add the liver. This is going to fry for about 5 minutes. Just going to put it up a bit more. Now while the liver's cooking, I'm going to prepare the onions and spring onions for the risotto. Put the liver into this plate. Add in our risotto rice. 300 to 400 grams of risotto rice. We're just going to cook this until it evaporates in the pan and absorbs all the rice. Add some salt. We're going to add some turmeric to the dish. And a dash of cumin as well. Just going to prepare some salad leaves that it's going to be dressing up. This is going to act as a bit of a substitute for some chicken stock, so This should take a wee bit longer to evaporate, which means it gives the rice enough time to absorb and cook properly, and just takes pressure off the red wine a bit. Just going to add some fresh salad to sprinkle it on top. So the rice is almost cooked now. It's being absorbed. It's absorbing the water, it's absorbing the vegetable stock, which is great. This is just going to keep cooking the rice. Just chopping up some parsley. Smells divine. Smells really good. Just about having enough space. I mean, this is quite a small frying pan. Ideally, it would be a bit bigger, and it would give us perfect amount of space for the liver and all the other ingredients. We're gonna add our liver cubes in there.